Healthy cabbage salad with mayonnaise dressing and a dash of pepper. Hello everyone, welcome to Rirava's kitchen. Today we are going to make healthy cabbage salad. This is very easy to make and it tastes delicious and it is very refreshing. So do try this cabbage salad recipe that you can toss up in few minutes and let me know in the comment section. So let's check out what all ingredients we need to make healthy cabbage salad. So for this here I'm going to take 1 cup of shredded cabbage. This is the regular cabbage what we get in the market, Indian cabbage, and I have shredded it, or you can even finely chop this. So I in a bowl add this shredded cabbage. To make the salad look colorful, I am adding half cup of purple cabbage also to this. Some finely cut carrots. This I have cut it in thin strips. So I am going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of this carrot. Then here I have all the 3 bell peppers, green, yellow and red. So I'm going to add this also. I have cut it in strips and I'm going to add a little of these also. You can add any vegetables of your choice. I've grated 1 small onion and I'm going to add about 1 heaped tablespoon of grated onion. Then some finely chopped spring onions. I've taken only the green part of the spring onion. So I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon of spring onions. And now this is mayonnaise. So I'm going to give the salad mayonnaise dressing. So I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise you can add. So this salad will be having mayonnaise dressing. Now since the mayonnaise is a little thick, I'll be adding about 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk. Add half teaspoon of mustard seed powder, little black pepper powder and a dash of lime juice. Salt to taste. Now toss it all these well together. And yes, one more thing I forgot to add. We'll add some sugar also. So this will give a little sweetness to the salad. Now toss all these together very well. Wow, it looks so colorful and yummy. Now our cabbage salad is ready to be served. So we can just plate this. Our cabbage salad is ready to be served. So do try this out, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get updates whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching Rirava's Kitchen. Stay safe. Bye-bye.